Less Annoying CRM tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video on how to use Less Annoying CRM. Less Annoying CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management software designed for small businesses. It helps businesses keep track of their contacts, leads, tasks, and sales all in one place. This allows for better organization, communication, and productivity. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the basics of using Less Annoying CRM and demonstrate how it can simplify managing your customer relationships. We will show you how to create an account and provide an overview of the platform's features and functionalities. Additionally, we will demonstrate how to add a contact, a task, and even an event in Less Annoying CRM. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Less Annoying CRM, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description. So go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct homepage. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Sign Up button. Clicking on this button will redirect you to the registration page. On the registration page, you will find different sign-up options. You can choose to create your account using your Google account or your email address. Decide on the option that's most convenient for you. After completing the sign-up process, you will be automatically directed to your new account dashboard. This is where you can start managing your contacts, tasks, leads, and sales with ease. The dashboard serves as the main hub of your Less Annoying CRM account. It is designed with user-friendly features and functions that facilitate smooth navigation. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a sidebar menu with multiple options, each designed for a specific purpose. The plus button stands out among these options. By clicking on it, you can easily add new contacts, companies, tasks, events, and leads. This multifunctional button centralizes the process of adding new data to your CRM, making it quicker and less complicated. The workspace is another essential feature of your dashboard. It includes a variety of options such as contacts, calendars, and reports. Under contacts, you will find options to view your groups, starred contacts, and recent contacts, simplifying the process of managing and prioritizing your customers. The calendar is a vital tool that helps you manage your time and tasks more effectively. It keeps you updated on your upcoming events and deadlines, ensuring you don't miss any important commitments. The reports section is where you can generate pipeline reports for your leads and other reports that provide insights into your activities and tasks. These reports can be crucial when assessing your performance and making strategic decisions. Lastly, the Settings and Profile section provides customization and control over your account. In the settings, you can manage your personal and company settings, as well as feature settings. The Profile section, on the other hand, allows you to edit your information. Now, let's see how to create a contact in Less Annoying CRM. A contact in this context is an individual or company that you establish a professional connection with. This could be a lead, a client, a partner, or a supplier. By storing their details in your CRM, you can easily access and manage these relationships. To begin the process, you simply click on the plus button located at the top of the left menu. When you click on this, a drop-down menu will appear with different options. From this menu, you select the contact option. This action will open a sidebar form on your right, which needs to be filled out with contact details. Starting with the name field, it's essential to input the contact's full name for easy identification. The email field requires you to provide the contact's email address, a crucial piece of information for communication purposes. The phone field is for inputting the contact's phone number, another important communication channel. The address field is designed for the contact's physical address, which can be used for sending physical mail or for visits. The birthday field helps keep track of the contact's birthday, a great way to build a more personal relationship by sending birthday wishes. In the company name field, you enter the name of the company the contact is associated with. This information helps to better understand the contact's position and influence. The job title field is for specifying the contact's position within their company, giving you an idea of their role and responsibilities. The background info field allows you to write down any additional information about the contact you think is relevant, including details about previous interactions or specific preferences. The website field is where you can include the URL of the contact's business website, providing further context about their professional background. The Attach an Item field lets you link the contact to other entities in your CRM, such as a note, task, group, or lead. For instance, if you have a note about a meeting with the contact, you can attach it here for easy reference. Once you have filled out all these fields correctly, the final step is to click on the Create Contact button. This will then create the contact in your CRM, ready for you to manage and interact with. Next, let's see how to create tasks in Less Annoying CRM. A task in Less Annoying CRM refers to an objective or action item that needs to be completed. Tasks could range from making a phone call or sending an email to scheduling meetings or following up with a customer. To create a task in Less Annoying CRM, you first navigate to the plus button located at the top left of the dashboard. Clicking on this button reveals a drop-down menu with several options, from where you select Task. This action opens a sidebar form on your right where you can input detailed information about the task you're creating. The first field in the task creation form is the task name. As the name suggests, this is where you specify what the task is, whether it's a follow-up call, a meeting, or any other action item. Giving the task an appropriate and descriptive name ensures clarity and makes it easy to identify later on. Next, you fill in the due date field. This is where you specify when the task needs to be completed. Setting a due date for your tasks helps you prioritize your responsibilities and manage your time effectively. The task creation form also allows you to attach this task to a contact or company. This is particularly useful in situations where the task is related to a specific contact or company in your CRM. By linking the task to the relevant entry, you can easily navigate between the task and contact or company information, enhancing your workflow efficiency. Furthermore, there's a description field that lets you write down any additional details about the task. This could include relevant information about the task's purpose, the steps needed to complete it, or any other relevant details that would be helpful to you or other team members. Once you have filled out all these fields, the final step is to click on the Create Task button. By doing this, the task is added to your CRM and ready for completion. You can view and manage all of your tasks from the dashboard, making it easy to stay on top of your responsibilities. Now, let's see how to create an event in Less Annoying CRM. An event could be a scheduled meeting, a call, or a follow-up reminder. By adding these activities to your CRM, you can ensure that you never miss any critical engagements with your contacts. To create an event, navigate to the plus button located at the top left menu. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear presenting different options. Choose Event. This action will open a sidebar form on your right where you can input relevant details about the event. The event name field is where you specify the title of the event. The date and time fields are for input when the event is scheduled to take place. The location field is designed for the event's venue, while the description field allows you to provide additional details about the event. In the Attendees section, you list the names of the individuals or companies who will be participating in the event. This helps keep track of who will be present and who needs to be informed about the event. The Reminder option enables you to set notifications for the event. You can choose to receive an email reminder a certain number of minutes before the event starts. This will help ensure that you don't forget about the event or miss it due to other commitments. Once you have filled out all these fields correctly, click on the Create Event button to add the event to your CRM. The event will then be visible on your dashboard, and you can easily access it whenever needed. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Less Annoying CRM. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching, and take